are just at Point Lookout and we're just about to do the North Gorge Walk. Actually, we were just about to start about 5 minutes ago, but then a big kangaroo hopped past, so we spent a bit of time having a look at him. But as it just so happens, right in front of us there's a whole bunch of kangaroos just hanging out right here. So I guess we're going to stop for a little bit longer. Yeah, buddy. Bit of fun with the kangaroos there. That was pretty cool. They're very tame. They'll let you get right up real close to them. Hopefully on this gorge walk, apparently if you're lucky enough, you'll get to see some whales, but I'm not too sure about that. They're pretty rare, but still possible. Turtles, stingrays, some dolphins, fish. Let's see what we can find, eh? Alright, so we just started the walk and we've already spotted some whales in the distance. They're a little bit offshore. They're probably about 500 meters offshore. So probably won't be able to see too much with this camera, but we'll give it a go. We'll see if I can zoom in. So they're out around there somewhere, I think. You probably only see a little bit of white splash. But yeah, they're out there. Well, can't see him anymore, but I'll keep an eye out for later on. Today we're doing the big drive down Main Beach, all the way down to the bottom southern tip of North Stradbroke Island. I believe it's called the Jumpinpin. And yeah, it's about 35-kilometre drive. We just got on the beach, so looking forward to the drive. The tide's low, as you can see here. Swap drivers. Laura's first time driving on the beach here.
Yay!
Doing good.
Yeah! Amazing.
We made it down to Jumpinpin, the southern tip of North Stradbroke Island. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful down here. A bit cloudy, but that's alright. Keeps the sunburn away, I guess. But yeah, quite nice. Down here, obviously, there's quite a few people fishing. Even saw some pelicans down there as well. But yeah, we're just chilling here. We're having a couple of beers and then shoot off back up and maybe drop in at another beach up at Point Lookout there. So just across there, that's South Stradbroke Island. And if you look in the distance, faintly you can see the high-rise buildings of the Gold Coast. Just over there, you can see the buildings. We are back from our drive down Main Beach, down to Jumpinpin. And we are back at Point Lookout, just at Deadman's Beach over here. And we thought we'd head on down for a bit of a picnic and maybe a swim, depending on water temperatures.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Now it looks like we found our spot. Kind of a little raised flat area in amongst the rocks here. It's actually really nice. We've got the beach just here. Perfect spot. We're all set for our picnic. That sounds a bit of lovely.
Yeah, cheers.
Alright, we're gonna get stuck in.